Hi everyone, today is July 31st, 2022. It is now 4:45 p.m. and we are here at Nathan Phillips Square for this event called Taste of India. It is currently 24 degrees Celsius and there are a lot of people here. Let me give you guys a view before we go in, just so you get a better idea of how many people are here. And so this green space is loaded with people. Looks like they're relaxing in the shade, having some food. And so I got one video in the morning when they were still setting up, and so the event runs until 10 p.m. tonight. And so now we're pretty much at the perfect time to see what the event is like in full force. Here's some people walking up the ramp to go to the upper level of the City Hall. Here's fresh lemonade. Here's Search Realty, it's a real estate company. Here's RJ Foods. Everything smells really good. There's a lot of people here, a lot of energy. A lot of delicious foods and delicious spices. Here's Friji, pure vegetarian. Here's Telus. Here's Dum Pucked and the Bombay, authentic Indian cuisine. Here's Desilicious. This is the Desi style ice cream that we saw in the morning. There's all kinds of vendors here. Everything is pretty much in very high demand, as there's a lot of lineups. And here's some people on the north side of Nathan Phillips Square, underneath the second floor of the City Hall building. They're staying in the shade and they're cooling off before they go back out. Here's Halal Meals. They're a halal meal prep delivery service. Here's a huge lineup for, I think those are coconuts, if I'm not mistaken. There's an ice cream truck. And here's some more people taking a break in the shade. Let's go back in this way. Here's the Royal Ontario Museum. Here's Yellow Drop. And look at, there's a performance on the stage. Here's Pumpkin Cart and ICC Bank. And we're going to try to move through the crowds. There's Stand-Up Garam, Indian Street Food Bites. And there's lineups for virtually everything here. This smells really good. Here's the menu. This is Chennai Caters. Here's the Aroma, authentic Indian cuisine. There's some cotton candy. Thank you. Thanks, appreciate it. Here's cotton candy. They have got sugarcane juice here. And there's a huge lineup here for the sugarcane juice. And the lineup just keeps going and going. And this is still the lineup for the sugarcane juice. And it's still going, and it's still going. And still going, and this is where the lineup for the sugarcane juice comes to an end. The food smells amazing here. The House of Fusion, taco sliders, drinks. Here's Sekik Boutique, Turkish modest clothing for women. And La Jawab, biryani and grills. Here's Costco. Here's Twisted Potato. Coriander Garden. Nirvana, the flavors of India. Look at some of the food. Everything looks delicious and smells delicious here. Here's authentic Sri Lankan food. And there's a long lineup here as well. Here's OIC Foods and Brars. Here's your menu. And there's the City Hall buildings in the background. So there's a huge lineup here for Chaska Indian Street Food Obsession. And this lineup is here, and it keeps going and going and going. And there's a lot of people at the fountain, and many people take their shoes off and they go for a swim, they go for a walk. It's really, really hot today. It's not humid, but I can see how some people would like to cool off in the water. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.